Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Hustle. Today we got Prado Design in the building. I'm telling you, these developers are getting down on the creativity and designs of these watch faces. Prado did an awesome job on this one. Now, he sent out coupon codes for Active 33, which was beta, which came out of beta. Maybe he'll do the same thing for this one. This one is called Active 35. And if he sends any coupon codes, I will let you know ASAP. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. All right, you all, I am loving the design of this watch face. I thought Prado got down. He continues to raise the bar. And in the always on mode, you are going to get a good look at your digital time and your info with no problem. But when the watch face is on, I'm loving the lines within this watch face, which really makes it pop and it gives it a premium look and feel, considering that this is a digital dress down fitness watch face, right? But let's take a look at it. Up at the top, you're going to get your date information. You're going to also get how many weeks we are into the year, how many days we are into the year. You're going to get, of course, the days of the week, what date it is. And right here, you're going to get your PM stamp. Now, if you come down, you get a nice big bold legible digital time. You come down up under that, you get your step status info. You got your steps to the left. You got your heart rate to the right, and you get your battery info dead center. Now, this video isn't going to do it justice because I haven't been anywhere so far as the status is concerned, but this is pretty much what it's going to look like when you have it on. It's just going to depend on what color you have this set in. It's going to look awesome. You come down, you are going to get info on calories burned and also miles walked or ran. Now, what I like about the watch face most of all is that it is interactive, right? So if I tap on my heart rate, my battery info, I can pull up the information. My watch is temperamental. I got so much loaded on this one. You can do the same thing for your heart rate as well, which is nice. Not bad at all, right? But check this out. Double tap, and I can change the color theme of the watch face to tie into whatever color I want it to tie into. And then I can also do this. Tap on the 17 and I can customize the top half to blend in to whatever I have going on the bottom half to tie into whatever outfit I have on for the day, which is definitely awesome. Double tap right here. I can set an alarm, and I can also tap at the top and get my calendar. If I want to set an event, I can do so there. Again, Prado, you've been doing a great job. Continue to do what you do, and I will always support you. Everyone else, what do you think? Now, this is in beta mode. Now, once it comes out of beta mode, I will let you know. I will let you know when this watch face is available. And if he sends any coupon codes, I will let you know that as well. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.